We want to take a few minutes and talk about the Strobel Native Grass Seeder. This is a seeder that we've made for over 40 years. In fact, we still supply parts for this same machine, even though we've went through a few upgrades over the years. But we're made in America, built Strobel strong. This is the kind of machine that contractors can use every day. You can hook onto these and tie down. It's built robust and it's built Strobel strong to last. The Strobel Native Grass Seeder has been used over the years for a lot of conservation projects. Municipalities use it a lot, individual farmers. Anytime there's a new road put in, you're going to need to reseed along the edge of the road and the ditches, and this is just the perfect machine to do that. It's simple, and yet it's innovative. So it's easy to operate, but yet it does some very precise seeding. Grass seeder has two boxes. There's a small, that's really for the cool season grasses like your legumes, and then of course the large box is for those larger native grass seeds, Indian grass, switchgrass, blue stem, which is what this is. But both will work just great in our boxes here. You'll have the control, obviously, that allows the amount of the product to flow down into the tubes that's going to put it into the ground. So our gauge is calibrated to every one of these marks is approximately 4 pounds per acre of seed. So you move it along here to what you want. Now what we recommend is you run an acre of seed, just because seed has a lot of variance within it, and then you do the math. But you give a lot of different options here. Let's talk about what actually happens when the seed comes in, and this is a real precise mechanism here. We've determined that this 1-inch depth band is really the ideal. So we cut that 1 inch in, the seed is placed down in, and then these bands will actually just roll over and give a nice smooth finish to your seed once it goes in. Something I want to point out is that we have billet style bearing caps. These are machined for a perfect fit and long lasting. Obviously this is built Strobel strong with a robust frame. One more thing over here, and this of course is your seed counter. This is an acre counter for seed, accurate placement and seed control. You'll know exactly how much seed that you're putting in the ground. Both the 14 and 20 row machines come standard with the large box. So that's for your native grass seeds. Now to add the legume and some of the cool season greens, this is an option that we can add the smaller box on the front. The roller chain assembly is all self-contained and is driven off of the wheel. So then that will attach to the dog clutch, which you'll see here in just a second. You'll see how the dog clutch can engage and disengage the entire assembly as it continues to rotate. This is the clutch that engages everything. Let's talk about the down pressure springs. These adjustable down pressure springs are going to give you a lot of different variables for the type of soil that you have. The seed boots can actually be adjusted at the bottom depending on your different soil conditions. We can make this available in both a 3-point system for you or just your traditional hitch, and either one has additional ability on down pressure. With the 3-point hitch, you got the ability to put additional down pressure up in this area, and then of course you can do it manually this way, and we do offer a hydraulic option as well. The way that we continue to move the seed and spread it evenly is a paddle system in here. This is unique to our machine. We actually share a patent on this, but those paddles will continually stir the seed in just the right way.
Paired up with one of 16 Strobel seed tenders, The Strobel Native Grass Seeder can be combined for a powerful and efficient grass seeding operation. It's built with a heavy-duty 6x2 steel frame. The Strobel Grass Seeder provides minimum maintenance and maximum performance. Call 308-548-2254 to learn more, or you can visit the website strobelmfg.com.